Hey crafty cuties! I wanted to give you guys the first heads up to let you know that I am having a big sale in my shop. As you guys know, or probably know, I am trying to clean everything out before I go on maternity leave, and I have lots of junk journal kit type things in my shop right now. So everything is 40% off. This is going to include every single thing. I am also going to have a gift with purchase that's just while supplies last. I have these little mini embellishment kits, or I guess packs. You guys have probably already seen them by now. They just have a bunch of little goodness in here. And I have about 30 of these, so even though it's while supplies last, there are a good amount. So that is going to go in every single order that is purchased until they are gone. I have quite a few mini junk journal kits, the bohemian kits, and I have a handful of the full junk journal kits. I also have some embellishment packs and other little bits and pieces in my shop right now. If you wanted to see these further in depth, I do have a full unboxing on my channel. You can look that up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your support. I have a ton of de-stash videos coming for you. In fact, they are actually filmed. At least the first 3 de-stash videos are filmed, and those will hopefully get uploaded very soon so I can get those out to you. And I'm gonna have quite a few more de-stash videos coming even after those 3. But yes, thank you guys for helping me clean out my craft area, getting ready for baby. I've been working very, very hard also on pre-filming videos. I have my travel junk journal video coming to you guys. I have that all filmed and ready to be put out into the YouTube land in the next couple months. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. My shop will be listed down below too. And again, I love you guys so much and thank you so much for your support. I will see you later. Bye.